Regitze Simonsen. Today I want to talk about our expectations with the advertising. You have to have the right expectations doing any kind of advertising, because there's a difference between advertising for a big brand like Nike, Coca-Cola, Samsung, rather than a small brand, a brand that many people never heard of before. Because the big brands, people already know them and trust them, and therefore it takes a lot less convincing and therefore a lot less advertising to get people to buy or do whatever they want, sign up for something. But if you are a brand that people have never heard of before, then you don't have that trust yet, and therefore it takes a lot more convincing to get people to take action, to sign up or to buy your product. So just be aware of that. Otherwise you may be disappointed and think that the advertising don't work, and it absolutely does work if you just have patience and continue to try. Another thing is that you also have to test. You have to test a lot of things like different images, different videos, slideshows, headlines, interest groups, and you continue to test. But don't expect your ads to work perfectly right out the gate. It takes a little bit of testing to find out what works best, and then also continue to test, because you can always improve your ads. Hope it helps. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also if you want us to do your Facebook, Instagram advertising, then we specialize in getting leads and clients for coaches and consultants. You can book a call with me to learn more. There's a link in the description. Also, please join our free Facebook group for successful new coaches, consultants, and entrepreneurs. There's a link in the description. Take care. Bye.